All right. Let's see if this comes up. Uh, oh, there we go. Oh, wait, I was just at it. Oh, dude, it's working. It's taking a second to catch up, though. Well, that's like super far behind, but we're cooking now. It's code cleanup time. Everybody's favorite time. And we're just gonna do some of this like annoying, like this is terrible. This looks actually horrific. So we're gonna try to like fix some of this stuff. So for starters, like let's clean up some of this spacing. Like this is my worst script, but let's see if we can first of all make a function. So we can make a void rotate object. And then so we want two rotations. We can do like a vector 3. Or wait, a new. No, yeah. We could do like a, a vector 3 of original position, and then a vector 3 of rotated position. So let's start with the first one. So when is this randomized? It's randomized there. So let's try and drag all of this quick. Nope, wrong. This is it. So grab this, get rid of that. Gosh, this looks terrible. Bring this in. We'll have to have indicators, so this will have to change like aggressively. And then I just want to see, is every other 1 at the start, subtract z. So I guess what we could say kind of is like, issue is they're so specific. I don't know. Because it's funny, but this doesn't fundamentally help me in the sense that I still actively have to change things up. Maybe first of all clear that. Rotate object. Like, what direction is this? Like, this is a replication of another part. Through plastic tube. So there's X, there's Z, X, and then adds to the Z here. If this would be like 180. 180 affects the Z. Is it subtract 2? Okay, I have an idea of addition. Plus addition. So now this may just work. Let me just see if this is it the same. They can be defeated. Plus this is plus, that's like that. Oh, this code's so terrible. I can't believe I made it this way. Not scalable. I mean, then again, technically you don't need to. It works, but I'm thinking it's 270. But it should be like this anyways. This may not need to matter. Is it the same every time as this? Derman, why won't you help people, bro? This is the same. Does this hold the same subtraction? I'll see you guys in the next video. Maybe, just maybe, we can do it like, whoa. Maybe we can do it like, because this is the top. I don't know why. Yeah, this one's any different. But I don't think it matters, so. Food. Current value. You're in home, bro? What? No, no, no. Bro, calamari is so based. Isn't it regularly popular there? Ain't it regularly popular there? Oh, why that one, Derman? I'm sorry. What'd you say to me, Derman? We can go here, we can go, and then rotate object. Oh, let me pull up, by the way, this. Can I please? There it is. I'm gonna want that. Anyways. So yeah, rotate object. Although, wait a second. Okay. Spawned 2. And I think that's the number. But I say that because what? At the equivalent of 0. So at negative 270. What? Plus, minus, plus, minus. Yes. Yeah, because this... So yeah, this makes sense for this. Because minus 270 at 0. And then it would be like this for the top. It would be 1 and 0. Oops. And this confirmed works. That other one I don't know. And then this is 90. So what is that? X plus... Zero. Wait a minute. 90 minus 270 is 180. So at base 180, does it do the same? I've lost my train of thought. This is a rough one because it was already set up originally. Although whatever's the equivalent of 90. Yeah. So when it's 90 here, it would be minus. Wait a minute. Okay. When it's 90, yes. It'll be minus 270. So we're just going to make a marker here. 90. And then minus 270. Just make sure that that's plus C. Which is negative 180. Although, wait a minute. No. Because it's at 90. Oh, why is this eluding me so much? All right, all right. So it would be All right, let's start at 0 then, just so this is easy. So if that is ever this, it would be the z's plus. No, but this, yeah, no, this doesn't fundamentally make sense. Okay, that's what was screwing with me. Yeah. Hmm. So wait a minute, I may be able to break this up even more, and that may grant us the solution. So we want that. We want these. And then what if we say granted a rotation? So this could be like in rotation. And then but it would go off the basis, but I was like, huh. Tom, are you like that? Are you like, huh? Huh. What? I mean, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Unless we could make an identifier. So our identifier could be like identify. Oh, come on. So yeah, and then if identify is equals to, oh wait, yeah, no, we could just do base. If identify is equals to 0, and we could kind of do it like that. If identify is equals to 1, this is subtract x. This is, yeah, dude. No, dude, it ain't. This is identify is equals to 2. This is going to save us agony in the long run. Impossible. This is plus z. One, two, three, 0. So that would be this one. Oh, what is Durman crying about now? Or do we even need that one? Because if we break it up by 270, this plus z is this one. Only when it's 0 is it plus x here, so all these t's want to play. If you better not be trying to mimic me, dude. What? You heard him, Dermy. this is way clearer. So you want to grab and spawned. And then we do this like 6 times. Okay. And then what is the identity? So yeah, identity is maxed at 3, starts at 0. Is rotation taking place. And then current value of the spawn in the array. So we could do it like this. And make it 180. Make it 270. Oh. Make it -90. -180. -270. And then this is just going to be 0. And so this is what the rotations are going to look like. And so 0, 1, 2, that's 3, and at -90, alright, just let me cook here. Notepad. We're just gonna put that stuff there for a second, and then rewrite it all back. So yeah, so the rotate objects here, and we just want to look at 270, 90. These are the same, which is really nice. Yeah, so 0 is number 3. So yeah, this should be like, okay. I just want to make sure that it follows in that pattern. So this is the same. 180, -180 minus x. Yeah. Okay. This is the first structure. But broken up, it looks so much better. Even if it's painful. No, Derman, you weren't. Okay. So negative 90? So this is like 0. This is like 3. Because 3 is plus x. 0 is minus z. And that's plus z. 2? I think 1, 2. Plus z, 2 is plus z. 270. Yeah. And then 1 is minus x. I don't think there was a subtract x. Oh? It's a plus z at the end. Which is 2. Interesting. 2. Oh, hot dang, it's Derman. Plus z. Bro, how are you doing? How good is that? Is that like really good? Is that like okay good? Are you sure that's okay good? You shouldn't be guessing nowadays. You should be sure of yourself. Bada bing bada boom. Now watch this break the whole script. Alright. Are you watching this drive, Derman? This stream's crazy, bro. Not really. So we gotta go plus x is the start, which is 3. Minus z, which should be like 0. Yeah. So this is 0. And 270, which is minus x. And that's 1. 1, and then I think that this should follow through. Yeah, minus x, minus z, plus x. So it'll be like this. And then, a last one right here, the else statement, the wild card is plus x, which is literally just the 270, negative 270. Alright, and it's time to see if the generation will work still. Will everything rotate nicely because finally this is like compacted down and it isn't 1,000 code page? Or will it blow up? I have high hopes for this tournament. I think that this may have done it, man. Yeah. And whenever Unity decides to load, everyone will get to see it in its glory. Okay. This is the run. Oh boy. Let's see. What was that? Was that Tom trying to get food again? It sucks because just one of these working. Will you still generate? If this one doesn't work, we're just gonna leave it as terrible code. You shouldn't be watching. That worked. It's not. Whoa. So yeah, this did work technically. Get away. Um. So what if this was false? No. My friend is playing Pal World? Yo, T, when you starting up that stream again, bro? That Pal World stream again, dude. Is this just generating straight? Okay. Well, that was a whole lot of nothing. The system that was built originally was just too good. What can I say? I know a bit about building really shoddy systems. Does he, though? Huh? Speaking of Tom, I made another edited video, bro, but it's on TikTok because it's quick. It's a quick edit. Oh, I've got so many programs and things running. But it was generating nicely. Oh, we're gonna do that. So when it generates, it's going to set its main stuff false so it doesn't render for us. Let's see this one in action, and this one may work out and give us frames as well, so like that would be nice. Can we do that, please? Oh my gosh. Whoa. There's so many enemies. Okay. Like the enemies are what's causing these lag spikes. This at most would be one. This is so much better. Whoa. Hey. Because there was like an overspawn of enemies. No. Let me quick do that. That's what you get. Oh, there's the spider. Ooh. No. There's another spider. Oh, but this is nice, especially when I'm running like other software in the background for stuff. This is a nice. There's a couple enemies. A bow drop? And I accidentally glitched that out. Hooray, game stability. No. So there is a chance for 3 enemies in a room. If enemy. Yeah. And then it will be like this. So there is a chance for a 6 enemy room, but low. And it would be a big room. Yeah. Okay, I don't know. This may be a lag machine. But if it works, this would be one of the best things. Oh, oh. I need a way to compartmentalize enemies so that it's not so crazy. Bro, spiders are crazy. But we kind of run. Oh, I had to jinx it. Whoa! It was slightly stable there. Um, just that enemies take so much processing. What is taking it up with enemies? Every enemy brings it down like a fair bit. Is it these resources? Like, let me go to the basic enemy and see what is taking all this up. Do we use this? We use that. We use that. We use that. We don't need to use that. We use this. We use that. We use that. I know we use that. We never use that. So we were able to clear up some of that. Night coding. Thank you. I'm still obviously getting a good overlay setup, but I'm using Streamlabs for this one. It's taken time, man. It's taken time. But I'm glad you like that new video. That was so heavily edited, it was like that was definitely one of the craziest edits. Dude, it took me 6 hours. Get component. Dot set active enabled equals false. Because in object handling, we set it, we can disable it and then enable it. Because I think that like enemies spawn and they're already kind of online for a bit. And then they come alive. Yeah, this would have lagged like crazy, but that handled it so well. And we're gaining more because they're not moving. So good. What a nice fix. What a nice fix, even though there is a bunch of enemies. 60 FPS is great. Why, there's a bunch of enemies. But it means that we can have the difficulty slider type of stuff. And then just please tell me that this will just generate nicely. And handle itself. It is having a rough time handling itself. Whoa. I was kicked out of there. I'm thinking that if something gets too far away from the player, we want to kill its rigid body and stuff, and a lot of things get deleted, so we're going to have this, and we're going to have the kill zone. I'm going to create a script called kill zone. And then on exit streamer, destroy other game objects. Doesn't matter what. Oh, but this will be like a giant ring. Yeah, and like you could have enemy respawners. So you could run through the game and all the enemies would end up dying. But like you would have to get very far away. And you would have to, yeah. Oh, and as well, if other dot tag is not equals to platform. Oh yeah, we could do other dot compare tag. But that platform. Bam. Nice, very nice. So if it's not a platform, everything there will just go. Although not, it would destroy every other thing. It would. We would have to focus it on being enemies. That doobie kinda suck. Not gonna lie. Oh, and props. So we can do like if it's a prop, or if it's like any other one, we can go to the attack script. Can grab this. And yeah, so if props drop out, if enemies drop out of any variety, boss, whatever, and it hits that sphere that's going to be around us, it'll just instantaneously explode. There you go. And we can leave this untagged. So how big is the kill zone? What if we did like 10? 9? 7. Let's see what 7 looks like. Okay, we're not going to be able to see it because we're first person. Let's see what 7 looks like with the kill zone active. Enemies still attacking, but is stuff going to get put out? Really? Okay. Or it's a chest. Yeah. Let's try that again. Oh, and it's quite massive still. We could probably bring it down to 5. Let's just hope this isn't too little. Because we need the elevator to spawn and everything. How big is the kill zone? Awesome. Stuff was destroyed there. And we're playing with on clicked editor? What? Oh my, at 60? Bro, this is gonna be running at like 200 FPS now. Huh? What a magical thing. Tom's like, man. Oh, that is a lot of enemies and things to have spawn at the start, bro. Although it looks like stuff stopped spawning in. You should give the elevator like a chance. What the heck? We give the elevator a chance to like it takes a bit longer to open so stuff can generate. Hey, I'm stuck, bro. No, please. No. There's so many. Like finally we can have the stuff where it ramps up difficulty and things. I want to add in like a bunch more enemies and design new areas. That guy dropped a loot. Aw, this is looking nice. It does still have a bit of a, like it does still chunk somewhat. But I think, yeah, it does get better when whatever was falling, was being affected by gravity, gets destroyed. Oh! And then, yeah, this could be still 4. Doesn't need to be that much. It already spawns a bunch anyways. Oh, what the heck? Please tell me that something, whatever is falling and being affected by physics, gets destroyed. Absolutely terrible. Hmm. What? Or let me look up how to reduce or how to increase performance on Unity with rigid bodies. Hmm. What if in object handling we had a list of game objects called enemies and props, and then we do if null reference other.gameObject.get component rigid body. Oh, so if we do that, then we can set the rigid body of this person the collision dot detect collisions equals true. Let me just see. So that does work. So then all we want to do is there's a stay and an exit, but no enter. Yeah, and I know I can't change that. So stay other.game objects, or no. Enemies and props. Okay, I gotta loop through the list. I forget how we're doing that again. Unity list. Yeah, for each. I know you'd be thinking, whoa, a for each and a stay if something has a rigid body seems ridiculous, but just wait a second. So for each game object and enemies and props, if object is equals to other.object game object, um, it'll do nothing. Otherwise, enemies and props dot add other.game object. And we do enemies and props. Oh yeah, if it's equal, then object dot get component rigid body dot collision detect collisions is equals to true. True. I agree. Ah, this system sucks. I am no system designer. 200? I was about to say, bro, we are not running 160 right now. I'm sorry? What'd you say, sir? I'm way. Oh, bro, he's a paid actor. He's a paid actor, dude. Uh, that didn't go the way that I was hoping it would. Eh, I don't know if this is working. I think it's just a lag engine. I know I was cooking with something, but just because this is on stay, I mean, what if we did an on enter? And then did it on exit? This would be the only other way I could see this working. What? Two enemies? What? No. Happens sometimes. You click out of Unity. Two enemies at 130 was quite nice, though. We can say if enemies and props dot count is greater than 0, but this may help to deal with all those collisions. Bro, what is going on with this spacing? This is insanity. Um, if it has a rigid body, it should be like this. Um, Spider or chest, um, or prop. But the reason why you want it that way is so that you're not like affecting some other stuff, because some things are just regular props. Okay. Let's see it. Yeah, yeah, boo, yeah. 140? We're facing an enemy right now and being beaten, but 120? Whoa, what was that? There was a spike there of good FPS. And I mean, I'm running this on a 5-year-old laptop right now, so definitely getting rid of the enemies helps. Yeah, back up to like 80. There's just a piece there, okay. Whoa, got him. Ooh, no, no. Let's run around and cause lag. Ugh. Spawn in enemies. Why is there multiple bosses? Why is there more? There's too many bosses. Ooh. Use the tech to move around. Use the tech. Not the right way. The spider was waiting, dude. What the heck? Oh, it's getting framey here. It's loading. But the handling of rigid bodies, that was the most stable we've seen. You know, usually by a certain amount of time, we run into that like craziness where it starts jittering a bunch because like too many rigid bodies are being affected and like all this other stuff. But no, like this is very much better. Running at 70 on my computer uh sucks, but it's 5 years old, not like, not recent. So PS5, if this was on Xbox, whatever the newest one is, would still be running at like a clean 60 or better, because their tech is like better, which is awesome. But I'm gonna end it here because this was pretty nice. So thank you for watching.